Everyone, my name is Richard N, and today we are going to be looking at another aspect of Apollo.io. And like we've said before, Apollo.io is a very powerful lead generation tool. It's such a tool that allows you to find a list of people, lists of the appropriate people to send your products to send your campaigns to showcase your product and services to. That is, it helps you take your product and services to the right people who has more chances of maybe finding the right benefits for those products. And today we're going to see how you can start getting this list in the name of leads. Mind you, there is in Apollo.io we have leads, LEADS, and then we have lists, LISTS. Now, when you obtain your leads, you can build a list from your leads. And when you build this list, you are going to subject this list to your sequence, and that is when you start sending your campaign emails to to the people on the lead you just generated. So if you are a lead generation expert, if you're a campaign manager, if you're a marketing team expert or whatever, the Upload.io is the right tool for you because it makes your work very easy. It helps you find the right people. It helps you design your sequence, and you know it makes the work very, very easy for you and helps you reach your goals even faster. So today we're going to generate our first lead on Upload.io. But before then, I will encourage you to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share our videos. If you are into lead generation, you are a P, maybe you are a project manager, you are a customer relationship manager, whatever. Please share our videos with those on your team, as I believe our videos are going to give them the hands-on experience to know how to utilize these tools and put them to good use and save time while working and reach your goals without wasting time. So today we'd like to explain how to generate your first lead on Apollo.io. But before then, I'd like to point out that there are so many ways in which you can generate lead on Apollo.io, and this depends on what you want to do. As you can see, you can generate leads on Upload.io using names. Probably you know a kind of people that maybe bear certain kind of names, or your product is for people that bear a kind of name and you would like to reach out to them. There is a feature for you on Upload.io that can allow you find people based on the name. Then if you want to reach out to a particular kind of people, maybe managers, maybe CEOs, maybe associates, maybe legal practitioners, whatever, there is one for you here. There is a feature for you, and you can use the job title feature to find those that you're looking for. And then if you also want to contact people based on their management level, maybe owners, partners, head, director, manager, seniors, entry and intern. Maybe you're trying to hire an intern. You can actually find that using uh, Apollo.io, and it makes the work very, very easy for you. And then also, if you want to find your lead based on location, you can also use the location feature, the location filter on Apollo.io, and this helps you find people maybe in a particular city, in a particular state, in a particular country, even up to using zip code. You can find people using their zip code. Maybe you want to use 20705 if you're in maybe New Jersey. That helps you to find people there. And if you're trying to target people in other areas, maybe the Great Britain, you can actually find them using maybe their city name or just whatever. Maybe like people in London or people in Paris. You can find people in Paris from here, and that's just it. So, aside from using location to find leads, you can also use the number of employees in a company. Maybe you are trying to look for companies that have employees ranging from probably 21 to 50 employees. You see, when you put in here, when you click on this 21 to 50, it means you have access to about 16.5 million uh, uh, people and companies that that have employees with maybe either from 21 towards to 50. And then even if you want maybe smaller organizations with 1 to 10 employees, you can actually find them here. You see, it's come up, say, Simon Sinek. This guy is a founder. He founded the Curve, and then the Curve is in the UK. I mean, it's in the New York, and there are just 2 employees. And then we also have Tim Warren, who is the director of Protect CNC, and they're in Washington, United Kingdom. There are just about 9 employees. So this is how you use the filter tool to make your work even faster. Now we also have the kind of industry. Maybe you want to reach the kind of people that work in industry. Let's say agriculture, or let's say maybe airline or aviation. You can find people that work in such company or industry using the what? Using your Apollo.io. Just enter the filter airline slash aviation, and then you're going to find them. They're going to come up here. You're going to be able to see them, and you can also see a lot of things, a lot of other details about them. This guy is John Rogerson, and you can see he's the president there. And then he's Azul Lihas Arias Brasileiras, whatever. So that is another way to find your lead using Apollo.io. Now, you can also find lead using the buying intent. You see, buying intent is another thing that helps you position your product to the right people. Then you can even use the email status. Yes, you can use the email status. People who are verified, who are safe to send and all that. And you can even find people using maybe just these are just the various ways through which you can find people. But now let us do the very first. Let us find our first lead using Apollo.io, and to do that, let us start with the name filter. I want to use the name filter, and here this is where we'll use that. You see, if you go to this list here, this list is maybe you have already saved some lists before. This is where you find them. So if you want to search for the first time, you don't click on list. You don't clicking on persona also doesn't really turn out so well. So unless you are a very much advanced people, but because this video is strictly for those that are beginners in lead generation, so we are going to start with what? With name. When you are on the name, you want to type, okay, probably you're looking for maybe people bearing the name, maybe let's say William Gerard. Okay, let's see how many people we're going to find with this name. See, there are only about 4 people bearing this name, and you can see them. You see, this is where uh, the list are, and we are sourced from LinkedIn. And then you can see their job title, you can see their job title, and then you can see the company where they work, you can see their email. This is one thing that makes Apollo.io very, very interesting, because it gives you whatever details you need to know about these people that can help you get to know them a little bit, and then before sending your campaigns to them. So if you are on the paid or premium version, you're going to be able to see their email account. You're going to be able to see their contact number, or their maybe their mobile or telephone number, to be able to reach out to them in case you were looking for maybe cold email or maybe cold calling. You can actually obtain those details here. Now that is for William Gerard name. So let us also look for other names. Let's say Richard. Say Richard William. Richard William. When we search on that, we're going to find we're going to find that there are about 124 people with Richard William on their name, and as usual, Apollo helps you to find the most important details about these people, where they work, their contact details like their emails and their phone numbers. And mind you, this can only be found or seen if you're using the premium version or the paid version, but we are limited because we are using the free trial. And so it helps you also see the location of these people, and that is how it is. And that is how to search with the what? With the name. Now let us also search with job title. So this means that if you're looking for, probably you're looking for managers, or maybe you're looking for maybe project managers, you can actually find people here who are project managers. See, you can see, okay, this is the name, this is a job title, and the company that they work. You can see their email address here. You can see where they are located. You can see the number of employees they work with, and then their phone. And so maybe like you're looking for maybe a job that maybe you're looking for maybe a teacher or a researcher. You're looking for a researcher, you can just make, okay, punch and enter, and then you can see a lot of researchers. There are about 411,900 people that have that title as what? Researcher. So you see, you can find them, and then you can do what? You can simply send your proposal or maybe your campaign to them, probably an email campaign or whatever. And this is how to do that. So another thing that Apollo.io helps you to do is to find companies. You see, you can find companies merely by probably entering their names. You can say, okay, I want to find a company in Dubai, and let's say the company name is, mm, let's say the company name is, um, let's say it's Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa. Yes, I want to find people that work here. And then you see, we're going to just click on this, and you see there are about 23 people that work or that have that place as what? As a company where they currently work. You see, it has come up. But now that we have found this list, how do we make it a lead? Now, even if you find up to like 2,000 names on this place, but you don't save it to your system or save it up, it doesn't work like that. It has not become a lead just yet. It will become a lead when you come here and then you bring out the name and then you save it. Now, how do you save a lead from Apollo.io? To save your lead, what you do is when you find the list that you know you are okay with, what you do is what you click on select all. This will let you, this will allow you to select as many as they are, but because we are on the free, we're on the freemium, we are not allowed to do that. So we're only limited to about 25. So you can simply say, okay, apply selection, and everybody here will be what? Highlighted and selected. And then the next thing is to click on save people. When you click on save people, you're going to do what? You're going to be able to what? To save this list. And how do you save the list? You create a list by what? Entering the name you want to call the list, and then you click on create new list, Dubai. When you click on that, you say, okay, save. When you click on save, it means that this has now been saved into your what? Your list of leads. So this means that tomorrow or anytime you want to maybe prepare your sequence, you can simply do what? You can simply go back to your list, and then you find your what? You find the list that you've just saved. See, this is where you find your list. Say you can find them using the word saved list tab. When you click on this saved list, you're going to find every list that you've saved up using the word Apollo.io, and you can also even find the companies that you've saved also using the companies tab, and then that is how it works. So you can see Apollo.io is a very powerful lead generation tool if you are a lead generation expert trying to maybe upscale your business, or probably have a quicker delivery time for your clients and all of that. And even if you maybe you are a campaign, maybe a campaign team trying to like maybe have an upper edge in your business, I think I will recommend Apollo.io because it makes the work very, very easy for you, and it helps you save time, and it even saves you cost. No need to go start hiring people out there to trying to do your stuff, for you. You can simply use this tool to make the work easy. So, if you are new on my channel, please remember to like and share our videos. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on the notification bell so that whenever we make new videos, you'll be the first. So, on this video, we've talked about the various ways to find leads on Apollo.io, and we have also learned how to search for list using the name filter, and after that we'll be able to save create a list of the leads that we found. And maybe in another video we're going to talk about how to send a sequence to the lead that we generated. And mind you that this sequence is more or less like your campaign. You want them to know what you have to offer them, why you obtain their list in the first place, because you want to offer them this product that can help make their productivity maybe much bigger, maybe increase their profitability, maybe help them save time at work and all of that, and all of that. So this is just the basic of it, and this is how it is done. So I will see you in another video. Remember, like and share our video at Fast Giddy YouTube channel. So see you next time. Goodbye.